today is time for a new repair here. I've noticed the steps here, when I step on them, have become really soft. You can see it's like they're really giving in. So it's like when we open the door here, this is where we enter, and we always step on this side here, and now it's become really soft here, the step. We have this Thor Outlaw. It's a 37 LS, and I'm trying to figure out what's broken there and see if we can get that repaired. When I look in here, I can see the step sit with these bolts over there. They are here in both sides. They will be a bit tricky to get out, I'm afraid, because I can't get a counter hold on them. But I see what the problem is. There's been a bracket sitting here, and it's gone in with these two screws here, and they're broken. And it's like an angle iron that has been sitting here. I'll show it to you on the other side, but it simply come off, and that's why the whole thing is sagging down. So I need to get that back on. And here you can see on the other side how this angle iron is sitting there. There are two screws there, and there are two going in to the other side as well. And that's simply what has come off on the other side. So I hope I can get it on without removing this entire unit here for the steps. It'll be a bit tight, but I'll definitely try. As you can see here, some weeks ago we found this one here lying underneath the steps, and that's exactly what has fallen off. So it looks like one screw simply came through the holes, it was too small, and these two there has broken off. These are the ones sitting in there. So now first I'll try to put some WD-40 on the broken screws and see if I can take a vice grip and get them off. Let's get some WD-40 on here first to loosen up everything a bit. And let's try to see if these are possible to get out. Now it's time to improvise. I have some screws here that are slightly bigger than the ones that were in there already, so I think they could work. But the washers I have here, the holes are a little too small, so I'll have to take a drill and drill the hole there a little bigger. Then that should work. And without having a workshop with a vise, I have to fixate it a little bit here in the steps. Hopefully that will work. Yeah, and we can now fit the washer over, so that's perfect. So we'll do the same to 4 other ones. So we have one for each bolt or each screw. And these new screws I have here, they are Phillips screws. So we will try to see if we can get them in. So this is the point where I have to go to the hardware store, and I need to get some self-tapping screws like these here, and better measure them. Well, I got some new screws here. I bought them in 2 different lengths. These self-tapping ones here, and let's see which one fits best. Now let's see if that works. It's kind of hard to see anything here because the sun shines right into my face. just drill up through here. Then let's see if we can get these two screws up here. Went smooth. Try the next one. And let's see how it works. Oh, it shouldn't be soft anymore. Yeah. Sturdy. Great. So soft stair fixed.